Okay, now it's time to add some final touches to our complete project. Now throughout the project you can see that we can't see any kind of navigation bar, or we can't see like how to log in and log out kind of stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to get to our VS Code. I'm going to close all this stuff. Okay, and go to the static page, and here you can see that we have templates for the base.html. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in a navigation bar which is going to have the login and sign up buttons. So here we're going to create a nav tag. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to change this to HTML again. Right, so it's a nav dot navbar dot navbar dark dot bg dark. So that creates a navigation bar, and now inside that we're going to say div dot ms auto. Okay, and here is where we can start adding all the stuffs we need. So the first thing is that I need a if-else statement. So we're going to say if. So basically what I want is if the user is authenticated. Okay, so if the user is authenticated, then something's going to happen here. Okay, else something's going to happen, and then we have end f. Okay, so there are three steps. Like the first one, if the user is authenticated, something's going to happen, else something's going to happen, and then we're going to end the statement. So let's add in some links. The first thing is that I want to add a anchor link here. Okay, so I'm going to say class, say btn outline. Okay, and I want it to be light. I'm going to call this as home. So let's see how this looks. Let's get back over here. I go to my home page. So there's nothing there, so save that. Let's get back and say refresh. Okay, so we have not authenticated, so we can't see that. So let's try login again. Let's say admin. I'm going to call this as admin. Okay, so we can see that home button is right over here. Okay, so let's get back to home now. So you can see that home button is there, and basically what I want here is to load the URL, which is going to take to notes.list. Okay, so I need another one where I want to create a new note. Okay, and this is going to create that, and next what I want is a logout button, so I'm going to say logout. So this is the detail if the user is authenticated. So let's log out, save that. Let's get back to the browser, hit refresh. Okay, so we have home, that's going to show me the list. Create, that's going to show me creating new node app, and if I click on log out, it's going to log out. Okay, so let's get back to our home. We have logged out now. Now we need to create the buttons to the logged out user. So that's in the else statement here. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. And the first thing is that I want login here. Okay, so I'm going to call this as login, save that. So duplicate this. The next one is sign up. Okay, and this is going to be sign up, save that. So if I get back here, refresh, if the user is not logged in, then he can log in or he can sign up. Okay, but if he is logged in, for example admin and admin, then he can create new nodes and he can log in and he can do stuff. Okay, so let's create a new user now. I'm gonna get back over here. Actually, I'm going to log out. I'm going to click on sign up. I'm going to use my name now. I'm going to use the password. Okay, so we have successfully created the user. Let's log in. Okay, so there are no apps. That's because there are no notes. Actually, that's because this is a new user. It doesn't have any notes. So I'm going to create a new note. I'm going to call this as my new note, and we're going to call this as awesome great, and hit on submit button. Okay, so we have our new note created. I'm going to click on log out. Okay, I'm going to log in again, and let's try logging in as admin and check if that note came. Nope. So each and every user have their own set of notes over here.